Hello everybody, welcome back to the chateau, and an exciting day for me because I'm doing a job that I really want to get done to expose a beautiful view. Well, this is hard going. Not as hard as doing it individually. Have got rid of a load of bamboo before. So for those that are watching going, oh no, apart from the fact it's massively invasive, I'll never get rid of the roots of that. I will just be able to, after I've trimmed this, after I've got rid of all of this, I'm going to be able to keep it down. For my desire, it'll be easy to keep down, probably just with a mower, actually, just going down the bank. So if it's time to grow again, it'll probably be back up. I'll just leave it and it'll be back up in 18 months. This stuff is terribly fast growing. It's why they use it as a torture in Vietnam. They used to grow it through people. It grows like 2 inches a day or something stupid. Right. Why am I doing this? Well, many reasons. Apart from, there will eventually be a beautiful view through this because it's literally hiding the chateau and it's not exactly on a public road, so, you know, why? But it's also, in the banks in here, this gives a perfect hiding area for the rodents, the water rodents, and the idea is to get rid of all the places that they find happy. So, twofold job. I wonder what it looks like from the other side. I'm going to have to go and get as much of this away to the chasserie again in a minute as I possibly can. I just don't have enough use for all of the the bamboo. So the chessery's not open tomorrow. If I get all of it that I've cut down away now, the next lot I can put up. See, I'm starting to see a view through to that front garden and the chapel, which will be amazing. Right, the Chateau. The thing that has made this possible, this has been done before in a lot slower way, because it was, well, chopping it all with a chainsaw basically, because this needs thinning out, where years ago it did, and then solving the problem. However, seems to be flying through it now. And that's thanks to this vicious thing. Look at that, it's just a spinning saw blade on a strimmer. It's just, you know, dangerously fun, isn't it? So, that's flying through. Actually, it's flying through to the point where I'm not sure if I'm able to do any more, because I absolutely hate leaving mess when I can't clean it up. I don't think I'm going to be allowed to take any more than the trailer load I've got there to the chessery right now, so we'll have to find out in a minute. All right, I'm almost full, getting near anyway with what I've got on the ground. My trailer, I can't go back to the Chateau another time today, and I can't leave stuff on the ground. I've got to clear up after myself in case I can't then do the job the next time and it ends up sitting here killing everything. But are we starting to see? That's half of it. That is... It is mostly half of it. There's a laurel bush randomly growing there. To be fair, that tree isn't supposed to be there, and there's one growing over there. That's fine. They're easy enough. But look, you can start. Here's the other thing. Look, the sun which is going up over there was completely blocked from this area by the bamboo. Now, you can see it starting to sneak through. Sunshine! And now we can start seeing, with this lot all cleared up and stragglers and then banks cleaned. Got to go that way. That's going to be a lot harder. That's why it's a two-prong attack. And then I've got everything that's sneaking over. Let's look at the view from elsewhere. You start to see that? Look at that. I can see straight through to the chapel now. Yeah, that's something that was completely blocked up. A beautiful view that's supposed to be there that wasn't, because someone wanted a little bit of privacy. And I found slates which they put in as an edge to try to stop this growing further than it already was. I mean, it'll grow through concrete, so slates weren't going to cut it, were they? So, I think this will look good, but as you can see there, which I'll show from the bridge in a minute, it all gets so tall and heavy, it folds over, and you know, it's over there in the moat, it's already folding in. That's nothing to do with cutting it, so I'll show you. So it has taken hold so badly from whoever planted it. It grows through a wall that's here by the pillar. It completely shrouds the tree, which obviously wasn't meant to be shrouded. And over here, everything just folds over. It's all very untidy. I mean, this is, and of course, as I said, not only is it a untidy, invasive thing, it is another place where the water rodents can go to hide, and they do feel quite safe in the bank at the bottom of this. I found their holes before. So another place they don't like is a bonus. And the view will just make it even better. So that's as much as I can get done today. And, well, I've got half the job done. And it's a lot quicker than I was actually expecting. So, looking forward to tomorrow, completing that, clearing up, and seeing the full view of what I've been picturing in my head for quite a while. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye now.